Around 8 years back, when I was junior, I was having one technical lead who was very good in his skills. Technically, he was very well. However, there is one more quality in him was the management skills or the people skills. The way he was communicating, I truly admire him. Many times I keep trying learning from him. Many things which I have learned. He was not only technically very strong, however, the way he was building the relationship with the team members and then with the management, upper management people as well, that was very amazing. I liked it. He knows he knew everything, means like who is working on what, who has work on complicated things, and who is dedicating more work, who is putting more hours on the work, and who is not doing work. He was knowing everything. The one more thing was he was talking a bit straight. Whatever the things happen, he will talk in the meetings to anyone. That's what. And he was ready to help as well. Means if someone is stuck there, if someone is not able to progress, then he was ready to step in and help, because he was the leader who was showing the way how to work. That's what one of the quality of the leader, and that's what I have learned a lot from him. And this is what we should do in our life as well. There are so many people, like many people say, look at the big leaders like CEOs or maybe some other big leaders in the world, see their qualities. That's fine, we can understand or we can learn from them about the qualities. But there are one basic things which we can do in our life is look around the people which are with us. Whoever we are working with someone, at least we have some team members. There are some juniors, there are some seniors. There are many people around us. But the only thing which we need to do is we just need to find out the positive things out of them. Many has negative things, but at least one positive thing is in everyone's. That's very important. We need to understand that and we need to learn that skill. Whatever the positive things, that's very important. And these positive things, learning from others with the positive intent, is going to help you to grow. That's what very important. And because this has helped me, I have also tried to say learn these things from others. I learn from my juniors as well. I learn from my seniors as well. I'm still learning. This is a continuous process. Just try to see the positives in everyone. Everyone has good qualities. It's just a matter of time that someone will come up, show the quality at this time, some will show them later, but that will going to happen. Everyone needs some nurturing. We just need to learn those skills. That's what is very important. So whenever you are working in personal life and professional life as well, whenever you wanted to build some relationship, like you say team collaboration or team leader relationships, this is one of the key skill. We need to understand the people, the persons, and their skills, their positive things. We should be able to learn all these things. That's what I am doing, and I hope you can also do it. Just try to implement this. Just try to find some positives in every one of them and see how it helps help you. So this is one skill I wanted to share it you today. I am here for the 21-day challenge, where I am going to share at least one skill or one point which is going to help everyone. That's what for here I am. If you like my video, then please like it. If you have any questions or any suggestions which I should be taking in the next videos, then do let me know. We will meet tomorrow again. Thank you for watching.